6 hotels you might wanna consider booking when planning a trip to Boracay. Sharing with you the prices on Klook and Agoda. All rooms comes with breakfast for two and all of these hotels have swimming pools. Plus, a quick idea na rin of what you can expect from each one. Number 1, Feliz Hotel Boracay. The deluxe king room with buffet breakfast is perfect if you like being close to everything. Since sa loob lang to ng D-Mall, maraming cafes, restaurants, at shop na malapit. Expect nyo lang talaga na medyo maingay to paggabi pero di naman masyadong rinig sa kwarto. Number 2, Ondus Boracay. The signature king with pool access includes plated meals. And it has a more peaceful vibe since nandito na to sa Station 3. The room is modern, napakalawak ng kanilang rooms, especially yung bathroom. And marirecommend ko talaga sa inyo na kuhanin yung room with pool access. Just keep in mind lang na yung breakfast is plated. Number 3, Mandarin Bay Resort and Spa. Ang binook namin dito ay yung kanilang East Grand Deluxe Pool View Twin Room. Staff here are so accommodating and being in a Station 2 means everything is closed. Merong mga beach activities, restaurants, and shops. Aside sa masarap yung breakfast nila, ang nagustuhan ko rin dito yung kanilang room ay merong bathtub. Sa lahat ng pinagstayan namin, ito yung pinakamalambot na bed. Number 4, Henan Crystal Sands. Their cheapest room, which has 1 queen and 1 single bed, still gives you that signature Henan Resort feel. May isa pa kaming Henan na pinagstayan dito sa Henan Palm Beach Resort. This is their premium room with direct pool access. So if you have a toddler katulad namin, maganda rin to. Plus, mas cheaper to kaysa sa Henan Crystals. Please expect lang na medyo mahigpit talaga sa mga Henan resorts. And lastly, the Lind Boracay. Since nasa Station 1 to, the beach is wider, mas quiet, and perfect if you want a more relaxing escape. If gusto mo lang talaga mag-enjoy and mag-relax with your toddler, ito yung pwede mong i-book. It is on the pricier side, but the experience truly matches the rate. So ayun, those are the 6 hotels you might want to consider for your next Boracay trip. Don't forget to save this for later, and if you have more questions, just let me know in the comments.